Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is a new video and this video is all about Figma software new update. It's really amazing update from Figma and really helpful for all the designers community. So if you are new here, do hit the red subscribe button and on the bell icon for more upcoming videos related to tech design and much more. So let's get into the video. So yeah friends, this is Figma and I already opened a new file here. This is just a demo file. So I'm just showing you the new update. So the biggest update is in the top right side of the header. In the Figma, we have an icon for microphone. Yeah guys, before we don't have this icon and a lot of people are using a Zoom or Google Meet software for just to communicate with the designer or team member or any developers. But right now, we don't want to use any third-party software and we have an option for microphone, internal audio option in the Figma. So let me show you how to use this option. So you have to just click on this microphone icon here. And it's connecting guys. Yes, you hear a voice here like it's connecting. So yeah friends, we have a few options here like a mute, also a settings. In the setting option, we have a microphone and speaker option. So basically in the microphone, if you are using any external microphone, so you have to make sure that you can choose your microphone from here. If you have any external speaker, you can make sure that you select your external speaker here. So yeah, this is the setting option, and also we have a one more option here, a leave CTA. So if you want to leave and disconnect from the audio, you just click on the leave option here. Another option is minimize. This is really amazing. While I'm working on the design, I don't want to this pop over in my window. So yeah, you can just click on this minimize option. It minimize. Still audio is connecting. You have an option here like you are active in the like audio. So yeah, when you click on the microphone again, the small pop-up will appear again and you can have that option as well. So yeah, just leave for now. So yeah guys, this is the new update. So let me know my friends if you like this update and this feature. So share your comment below, and if you like this video helpful, consider as a subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. So thanks for watching, stay tuned. So let's meet in the next video guys. Bye bye.